The LSTM is an artificial neural network which has recurrent connections, and it's a little bit inspired by the human brain. In your brain, you've got about 100 billion little processors, and they are called neurons. And each of them is connected to maybe 10,000 other neurons on average. And some of these neurons are input neurons, where video is coming in through the cameras, and audio is coming in through the microphones, and tactile information is going in through the pain sensors. And some of the neurons are output neurons, and they move the finger muscles and speech muscles. And in between are these hidden neurons where thinking is taking place. And they are all connected, and each connection has a strength, which says, how much does this neuron over here influence this neuron over here at the next time step?